buying of 50 kilogram bags of maize grain at the set price of 60 kwacha per bag is in progress in most parts of the country. A visit to Chisunka Chiefdom shows that farmers are taking their maize for weighing and packaging at the FRA depot located near Chief Chisunka's palace. However, the business is not all well, as only few farmers are taking the grain for sale to FRA.
The buying of maize started too slow. The response was quite slow, but as days goes on, the number of maize we're buying are increasing drastically. As you can see, we started with roughly less than 100 bags, but we're going to 1,000 right now.
Although these farmers have brought their grain for sale, they are not happy with the 60 kwacha buying price the agency has set for a 50 kg bag.
Government to come and bring me to 60 kwacha. It means to every 100 bags that I'll get, I've lost 2,500 kwacha, which in actual fact is supposed to be my profit.
From 85 to 60 kwacha, bonse fenem sara bonse yari bakwati ba kwati fe ba mishempa fe orupi ba isa mikapura fe no ishipapo nangu tinangu ifire chitika.
The concern has trickled down to the traditional leadership in the area. Chief Chisunka says the price is a punishment to the farmers as they will not gain anything from the business. The chief is now appealing to President Edgar Lungu to intervene in the matter.
I know he is understanding president. He will understand the cry of of his people, Zambian people, that the maize price is not good. They are crying about that. Because next year we are not going to see people growing maize, you know.
Meanwhile, Chief Chisunka has advised the farmers in his chiefdom to put cultivation of cassava at large scales into consideration.
Since maize, we have seen that the maize is not good the maize price is not good. Can just encourage my people to now to go into cassava, because cassava also I think we are going to have a good market for cassava.
The voice of Chief Chisunka is an addition to the many concerns raised over the buying price of a 50 kg bag of maize grain FRA has set at 60 kwacha. One only hopes that government will come in and clear the air for the benefit of farmers and the agriculture sector. Macpherson Mukuka, ZNBC News, Mansa.